Today we're going to play with a little mixed media. The theme for this layout is kind of galactic. Not everything that I did in my process ended up on the finished layout, so I'm going to try to edit those parts out, and if some of the pieces end up still being in the video, I'll be sure and let you know. This watercolor resist paper is from an old Recollections pad. I don't think they sell it anymore, unfortunately, but I really love how Witch's Potion Purple has this gorgeous blue sheen. The colors that I'm going for here are kind of that combination that you see in Milky Way photographs of the blues and the purples and the pinks, but it wasn't quite dark enough. So I went ahead and added this, it's not Black Soot, it's the Dilutions. I forget the Dilutions color, but I'm going to add the links to all the supplies that are still available online to the description box below. These diamond dies are from the same freebie set as the hearts in last week's card video. This pattern paper is something that I DIY'd a while back using black cardstock and Prima's, I think they're called Opal Magics. Yeah, Opal Magics. And I'll add them to the supply list, even though I'm not showing the process video for this, because I did this like probably about 3 months after the Opal Magics came out. And here I'm just figuring out the arrangement for this layout. The same night that Dean got the sunset in my last scrap with me that I posted earlier this month, he got this shot of the Milky Way. This was at Davis Mountain State Park, right outside our camper. The Milky Way doesn't look like this to the naked eye. Cameras have a different way of seeing things. And the first time that we saw the Milky Way when we were camping in Bandelier National Park, Dean mistook it for a cloud. This paper, I'm not sure what the name of the collection was. I think it's a Recollections paper, and if I can find it, I will link it in the description box below. these pieces won't be in the final layout. They just kind of distracted a little bit too much from the photo. Although I really did like them, so I did keep them. And you may see them in a future layout. This washi is from one of the Happy Planner washi collections. I use scrapbooking supplies in my planners, and I see no reason why I shouldn't use planner supplies in my scrapbooking. I probably won't link to these pens in the description box below. I haven't necessarily, well, you can probably find them on Amazon, but these are just Jelly Roll pens in silver, gold, and white. You can find these sequins in the kids craft section at Michael's. Sometimes it pays to venture outside of the scrapbooking and planner section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to know more about this layout, check out the link to my blog post in the description box below.